Boys of the Boats Toys coming at you again, and I took a break from Transformers because it's really hot here right now. And I did something that I was doing a lot of last year, and that is mini vehicles for G.I. Joe. So if you like G.I. Joe, you remember that kre-o did some G.I. Joe like they did Transformers, and they actually did, I think, a good job, but I think people were turned off by the non-transforming Transformers, so they didn't buy it. So lots of guys do some creations in a regular Lego and do customized minifigures. So here is the Cobra F.A.N.G, the one-person helicopter that, if you're old enough to remember, was always in the first couple seasons, I think, of G.I. Joe, at least the first one, and it's one of the toys a lot of us had because it was a pretty cheap one, but it didn't come with a guy, so you had to go and make sure you had a Cobra officer or a Cobra soldier to put in there. So this guy, of course, like my other vehicles, you can go to our website and you can download instructions and build an army of them if you really like. Rotor works. You can see here I have the flick fire missiles that will, well, I wish they came in opaque red, but they come in clear red. So those are the little shooters that come with like the buildable figures and stuff like that, and different sets that shoot. So those are the missiles. So they're kind of stationary. They hook in here, but they're pretty cool. So working parts, of course, you've got your rotor. You got this engine exhaust that can go up and down. This rotor kind of turns as well. The missiles you can take off on and off. The gun is stationary for now, but this guy is really swooshable. I love it. Anyway, as I said, I enjoy building these little guys, and one day we'll have a huge diorama at an exhibition or a convention. This year's convention for BWTMT is either delayed, or I'm not sure what the status is on that, but hopefully it will be on for later in the year. And I'm hoping to have a G.I. Joe versus Transformers big battle royal display. So hopefully we'll see that in the near future. But in the meantime, as I said, you guys can go over to our website and you can download instructions for the F.A.N.G, and there's a couple other small Joe vehicles you can download as well. Build an army, do whatever you need to do. Until next time, everyone, happy building, take care, hope this inspires you to build your own crazy little creations out of Lego.